Have you ever heard the story of the 4-minute mile? So apparently in Oxford, England, back in 1954, people would say that running a mile in under 4 minutes was virtually impossible. This was, of course, until Roger Bannister decided to completely crush that limiting belief. And after he did it, a bunch of people started doing it. This is an incredible story for the human spirit. And in today's video, I want to show you something that, at least for me personally, removed a few layers of limiting beliefs in my brain. And I want to hopefully pass down that removal of limiting beliefs to your brain. I was scrolling Twitter yesterday and I came across this guy. His name is SantQ. I've been following him for some time now, but yesterday he posted his March breakdown. And I gotta say, it's a pretty unbelievable screenshot here. As you see, he posted that he just broke some records in his own business with the highest March revenue ever and the highest Q1 so far. Apparently, the picture here is just one channel, so his business is a multi-channel business, at least I'm assuming by him saying that. And as he says, he is short of his projected goal and making improvements to make it happen. So he actually didn't accomplish his goal. I'm guessing his goal was 10 million in that month, but he only accomplished 9.2 million. So what a failure, am I right? Obviously, I'm just kidding. Now, I'm not exactly sure what this guy does. I actually checked out his profile and he's bootstrapped and scaled 9-figure direct-to-consumer health brands in 4 years. So he's in the health niche and he doesn't really reveal his store as far as I know. He's posted in the past multiple 500K days and things of that nature. Now I've seen with my own two eyes the behind the scenes on a 10 million plus Shopify brand, but 10 million in a single month, that's gotta be insane. But I wanted to show you this because sometimes when I make some videos case studying brands that are doing, let's say, 3 million a month, I know a pretty decent percentage of you think that it's all complete BS, right? That it's just not possible. No store on Shopify could possibly do numbers like that. And that I'm just trying to get you guys hyped up and make numbers up out of thin air. And while you are right to some extent that nobody actually knows exactly how much money a store is making unless they post screenshots like this. That's true, but based on traffic distribution and just all the data that we gather on a daily basis from our clients, from our stores, from all these different places, we can make a pretty decent estimate as to what a brand's revenue is. And pictures like this do remind me that these estimates are oftentimes conservative. They're actually usually lower than what they really are. Now, I think we can learn a little bit about what he's doing now because he's saying bigger challenges and lots of gaps to work on. He's hiring senior designers, senior copywriters for direct response marketing, interesting, a retention lead, so customer loyalty programs and life cycle marketing with a focus on raising lifetime value. This is something I mentioned in our last challenge update for our Shopify and ChatGPT challenge, where I said I'm really focused on customer lifetime value. So we're dropping new products on that store so that customers can come back and shop again. So pretty interesting. He's also hiring somebody for Amazon growth, which is also fast growing. So again, this is only one channel. This is only his Shopify channel. They've easily done over 10 million across the whole business. And yeah, I gotta say, this inspired me a lot. I even posted in the Chemi Lab Mastermind, which you can find the link to in the description. I said here, first person in the chat to reach an 8-figure month has to fly everyone out for a party. Challenge starts now. And even though I'm being playful here, I do truly believe that somebody watching this video, maybe it'll be my team, maybe it'll be your team, will reach numbers like this someday. And the reason I know that now is because I've seen it done. And it's a great analogy for the 4-minute mile. Everybody thought it was impossible until somebody did it. And after somebody did it, multiple people started doing it. So sometimes it really is all about removing limiting beliefs, thinking about the impossible and making it happen. So real quick video today, just a little piece on motivation. And that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.